Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm gonna share with you guys the hot plays going into tomorrow. Also, whatever come to mind, any type of advice. I also want to share with you guys, the overall rundown for the day and what to look forward to going into tomorrow and the rest of the week. So as we had stated on yesterday, I told you guys what to expect with the market today. I said, yeah, this bad boy is about to shoot up at the open, shoot back down, and then power hour is going to recover. So I was right 3 out of the 4. The last one, though, after recovering that power hour, I thought NVIDIA would sell off. But as we know, not options, but earnings plays could go either way. It's really not nothing that you can determine. I don't care how much information you got, unless you got inside information. And there are earning plays that have a lot of intricacies that lines up to give you better odds than just playing randomly on any earnings play, if that makes sense. But anyways, exactly how I seen today happening from last night on the video, run up this morning, sell off after. Perfect. Now I want to see the power hour recovery and sell off at the close. So that power hour recovery came, as you can see, but we didn't get that after hours panic, which is, more than likely to be expected, being for the fact how low stocks were. And the video was going to push stocks down even lower if it didn't climb up. And due to the psychology of the market, if they don't want the market to be that cheap as of now, because it can be, they'll take this junk as low as they want it to. But in the time period of how much it already declined, they don't want it to be that cheap. They'll shoot it up like they did, and then come tomorrow, by the end of the week, write that down. Not saying it's 100% going to happen, but I'm just telling you how I like to zoom all the way out and dissect this market all the way down and make sure I'm being extremely safe every single day. Because what they're trying to do is take your money. How can you have a less impact on them taking your money? By trading with less money, by only trading good setups, by only trading setups that's worth putting your hard-earned money on the line, and not just throwing random stuff at the wall. So stock futures climb after NVIDIA earnings report. NVIDIA shares stock index futures rose after hours following the tech giant's latest earnings report, which beat expectations. This helped the market out after having a 4-day losing streak. Also, you got Michael Burry on Wednesday evening warned that true and demand for artificial intelligence was far smaller than what was being presented, while also accusing major technology firms like NVIDIA and etc. for misrepresenting their revenue, basically lying about the amount of money that they're making. Nothing would surprise me with these folks. But anyways, NVIDIA CEO says the AI boom is real, not a bubble, after strong Q3. As we know, a lot of people say AI is a bubble, it's going to pop soon. I believe AI is just getting started. I believe some people will say, oh, I told you so, that it was a bubble once it probably pulled back 30-40%. Of course, it's going to be volatile. AI stocks is going to be like Bitcoin. Crazy ups, crazy downs, but overall, through the years to come, it's going to continue being higher than it was the previous year, just like Bitcoin. Same thing happening here, folks. So whenever it does crash, they'll say, oh, the bubble pop, and then it's going to be right back up. Of course, something that's certain stocks like NVIDIA, I believe I was looking at today, is up nearly 100% at its highs. At its highs from its low from this year, up over 100%. That's insane. So regardless, it gotta get chopped down at some point. So what we at going to tomorrow, I'm going to be looking at Palantir, of course, Palantir, AMD, Oracle. Palantir, Oracle, AMD. Palantir and Oracle, more, higher on my radar. Oracle, I've been looking at that stock at the 216, I believe. That's what it was. It took off on me. I made money in the mix along the way or whatnot, but I was waiting on that move right there. It went from like 216 to it's at like 230-ish now. You want to see Palantir hold above 170. You want to see it build support at 170. And you want to see it break through 174 on tomorrow. Break through 174 and the video holds up, the market holds up, and they like trending higher. Palantir got a lot of room to shoot back up, guys. Especially with the AI sector about to be hot with NVIDIA being up. And that's if NVIDIA don't pull back and come back down. Because like I said, I believe it's still due for a nice pullback. As you know, I'll be watching Oracle as well. This got continuation in it, easy continuation. Especially built out the momentum today. Especially if the market holds up and the video holds up. and it don't pull back just yet. Because even though that's what I'm expecting for it to do, I'm always more than likely looking at the opposite side of what I'm expecting. That's just how sharp you got to be with the market. I hope that made sense for you. So anyways, right here, 234. I want to see Oracle hold up at 233. Need to hold up at 233. And if it holds and we see a continuation going to tomorrow, this thing could go to 245, 250. First 240, and after 240, break that 250. Comes easily, guys. Also, I'm gonna be watching him and hers in the cut as the market pumping back up. This right here is then got chopped nearly 50%. And also options, like call options on smaller cap stocks like this, print like 1,000% in a day if it make the right move. I'm saying if it shoot up $4-5. Contracts that's expiring that week. Contracts that's out of the money a little bit could definitely print. Also watching the video, of course. The video, if it holds up, the first level we want to push to is 202, above 200, 202. If it break that, it's going to go back to around 207, 208. If this doesn't hold though, you don't even, you know what I'm saying? You already know what's going on. Market coming down, everything coming right back down. Just a temporary. Also, you're watching Coinbase. I'm going to be watching Coinbase going tomorrow. I made money on Coinbase today. This definitely can easily continue with the market hold up, Bitcoin hold up. And if the market holds up tomorrow, Bitcoin holds up and continue to trend higher, we could possibly see a 275, 280 Coinbase on tomorrow. And depends on how the market trades tomorrow. There's no telling. I'm also going to have Tesla on my radar. Meta. This has a lot of recovering to do as well. So if the market actually holds, you know what I'm saying, they got strong signs of holding and going into a continuous uptrend, getting back into the uptrend. This right here is definitely going to take off. Be careful though. You got to watch the market sentiment and make sure the market is in our favor. Last but not least, Webull report earnings at the close tomorrow. So I will be watching this prior to earnings, seeing how it trades. So you already know what to do. And Webull as well. I do believe upside potential with Webull. But you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show _. Feel free to hit me up for a one-on-one, anything like that. Also, feel free to join VIP. Just click join on the whole home page on YouTube. The third tier, they give you access to every single play we get in and out of. The last tier exclusive, they give you access to the plays and also me if you need any help and all that good stuff. So you already know what to do. I love y'all. Out and God bless you.